Hello, my YouTube family. How's everybody doing today? This is your girl Claudia's, and today I will be making a fruit smoothie. The summer heat is on, so let's get something refreshing, something tropical to cool us down. So